Hi, I'm Richard Barron, HHI Windows and Doors. You know, we're just getting started, and many of you, maybe you've heard of us, you've driven by, you've seen the sign, but a lot of you maybe aren't really sure what we do. Well, we're just figuring some of that stuff out now too, but here's our plan. We want to be the authority on windows and doors in this area. And for all of you, whether you're an architect, a builder, a designer, anybody that's in the space, the home improvement space, we want to partner with you and be your provider for windows and doors. But we also want to partner in growing your business too. We want to have businesses that we know that we can refer. We want to know people who share the same values we do. Those values are integrity and honesty. We want to make sure that we're giving the customers the very best experience they could possibly have. You know, when we work on somebody's home, it's working on the most important asset they have in their lives. So we have to take that very seriously, and we know how much it means to us when we get that job done right. I know it means a lot to you. So we look forward to partnering with you. One of the ways we want to do that is to offer this space. We have a beautiful 11,000 square foot showroom. Within it, we have meeting spaces, a conference room, a lounge. We want you to be able to visit with your clients, use this space as a meeting space, come in and think of it as Starbucks for anybody in the home improvement space. You want a cup of coffee and free Wi-Fi? It's here. You want to come join us for a whiskey, wine, and windows and do some networking? It's here. We want to host HBA events and looking forward to doing some of those builder breakfasts here really soon. If you want to come in and do some shopping, some browsing, if you want to see some of the products that we offer and how that might help your clients, absolutely come in. We've got a new specialist for the B2B side of things. All right, our contractor rep now is Trey Mackey. Trey would love to help you out. So between Trey, Jason, our general manager, and me, anything you need, we want to hear it. We definitely want to serve you. Give us a call. We'll get you in earlier. Thanks so much.